How to fix Bosch Dishwasher E31 error code 2025 easy fix. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you can directly go to the Bosch owner support for the dishwasher and search for the E31 specific problem from here, and uh, that's E31 for you. And they say the safety switch has detected water in the base of the dishwasher. Your leakage protection system has been activated. Please turn off the water flow and contact Bosch customer support. You can just contact Bosch customer support, or you can follow this method also. You have to unplug the dishwasher to turn off the circuit breaker for at least 1 hour to allow the control board to reset, and ensure the water supply valve to the dishwasher is fully open. Inspect the water inlet hose for kinks, bends and blockages, and select the drain hose connection for any obstruction. Locate and clean the mesh filter inside the dishwasher. Check for any signs of leaks, especially around the base of the dishwasher. If you suspect a leak, carefully inspect hose connections and consider running a small amount of water to pinpoint the source. And if the error persists, the E31 error often indicates the faulty heating elements within the heat pump assembly. And for heat pump repairs or replacement, best to contact the qualified applicant technician, or you can just go to the Bosch official website and contact to their customer support like this number for assistance. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.